Just want to show you the beautiful morning this morning up in the beautiful Polizzi Generosa. Have a look at that. Have a look at just the awesomeness of the day. I don't know if you can see that far away, the mountains enveloping each other, just one over another, just that beautiful laziness. Awesome, awesome. I can't tell you how beautiful it was to sleep here today, this morning. It was just gorgeous, just beautiful. And sleepy town, and a town when the bells of the church go ringing, and it's like a real welcome saying, good morning, good morning, good morning, which is so unfamiliar where we are. The beautiful piazza. Oh my God. Gorgeous. I just wanted to show you. Good morning.